Hello guys, today I will test for you this electric meat grinder from VEVOR. Maybe you noticed already, I start this collaboration with VEVOR. They will send me the product for free if I make the video. Plus I will test for you, and for you there will be a discount of 5%. You need to check only the link under the video and put this discount code that you will see here in the video, but also under the video. I can say that probably is already a good product without testing it, because it's very heavy, so the material is good. It's no plastic, but is real metal. Only the machine is 16.5 kilogram. Plus the different tools, you will reach the 18 kilogram, so quite heavy. The power of this electric grinder is 650 watt. They have also the 1100 watt or 1000 watt, but I think for the home use 650 watt is more than enough. Also because you can grind 3.5 kilogram in 1 minute. So for homemade sausage, for meatballs, for hamburger, for salami is more than enough. Now that I will ground the meat to test this machine for you, I will use that meat to make spaghetti meatballs that you will see in another video. But now if you come more close, I will show you all the tools that are already in the box. So we have two grinder knife, two coarse grinder plate, one is 6 millimeter, the other is 8 millimeters, plus the stuffing plate, this one with the big holes that we can use with the stuffing tube for the sausage or for the salami, and one brush to clean inside the holes. Naturally, we have also this one to push the meat inside the hole and avoid to cut our fingers. So now I will put the small one with the knife, because I want to grind the meat for the meatballs. Plus, I forgot to mention, we have the dish that we put on the top, and inside we have the, sorry, I don't know the name of this, but is the one that push the meat through the knife and outside of the machine. Very easy to assemble. Now I will put the meat and all the other ingredients for the meatballs. I will ground them, and after I will let you know if it's okay or not. So you need to unplug the power. Remember not to let the machine working without ingredient, meat or the other things inside. If you use it without food inside, you can spoil it, remember? I'm really surprised, but in a positive way, because it's working very well, very fast. Everything is minced very well. I want to do the video when the meat is coming out from the machine, but was faster than me. So now I will go ahead with my meatballs, and after we will clean the machine together to check also if it's easy to disassemble and to clean everything properly. I can say that is really spectacular. Work very well, very easy to assemble and disassemble, very easy to clean, especially with this small tool. You can clean all the holes, also the other small one inside. Wash it with hot water and soap, and after dry it. Also, if it's a very good material, it's always better to put apart completely dry. In these days I will try to find a gut, so in this way we can make the sausage, and also if I can find a salami case we will make some salami. Usually I prefer to cut the meat with a knife, so I will cut the meat with the grinder. I will grind the meat, and I will cut the fat with a knife because I prefer big fat, but we will see this in the next video. Remember that if you want to buy it, you can have the discount. If you click on the link, you put this discount code. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like it, to watch and share this video about cold cuts, Italian cold cuts. If you have some requests, some advice, some suggestions, also how to use it in a different way, maybe you have some idea, let us know down in the comment. Bye bye.